What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 15 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account. You put $100 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. You put $1,000 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 15 free stocks. Guys, limited time offer. Get down to that description box and click on that Moomoo link. Open up that Moomoo account. Go get the free stock. Go get the free money. I'm going to also send you a Moomoo tutorial videos that will help you learn how to use the Moomoo brokerage app so you can start buying big boy blue chip paper assets to build your wealth. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfame.net. Second link down in the description box. Let me know you opened the Moomoo account and you funded it, and I'm going to send you out those Moomoo tutorial videos. Well, today was another roller coaster ride in the stock market, guys. Here's the headline. Dow inks out narrow gain to snap 10-day losing streak. Its longest in 50 years. Though the major averages initially rebounded to start the session, with the Dow up more than 460 points and the S&P 500 up more than 1% at their respective highs of the day, they shed their gains as the day went on, resulting in very weak close. 7 of the 11 sectors of the S&P 500 ended the day lower. That's not good, guys. The major averages plunged Wednesday after the Federal Reserve struck a heavy blow against the roaring bull market, signaling that it was likely to cut interest rates only twice next year, down from the 4 reductions that had been penciled in during its last forecast in September. The central bank also trimmed its benchmark overnight borrowing rate a 1/4 percentage point Wednesday to a target range of 4.25 to 4.50. But the question now is what policymakers will do in 2025. I think that this correction could last a bit. This is coming from Harvest Portfolio Management's Chief Investment Officer. You've seen the marquee name NVIDIA come down. So what I would expect people to do and what I would recommend people do is to maybe keep some powder dry. Basically, keep some money on the sideline. Volatility took a step down Thursday with the Chloe Volatility Index pulling back nearly 13% to about 24. Wall Street's so-called fear gauge soared Wednesday to as high as 28.27, reflecting heightened investor uncertainty over the path of interest rates. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell didn't offer investors much in the way of immediate comfort Wednesday following the Fed meeting. We're at 4.3%. That's meaningfully restrictive. And I think it's a well-calibrated rate for us to continue to make progress on inflation while keeping a strong labor market, Powell said at a press conference, noting that cutting rates in recent months has allowed the central bank to be more cautious as we consider more adjustments to our policy rate. Leading up to Wednesday's rate move, Wall Street was betting on the Fed to stay more aggressive in lowering borrowing costs, which affect everything from what companies pay to raise capital to how much it costs consumers to buy a home or car. But with the revamped Fed outlook, the Dow Jones Industrial Average slid 1,123 points, or 2.58% to 42,326, posting its longest losing streak since 1974. The S&P tumbled 2.95%, and the NASDAQ composite 3.56%. This morning, it felt like we were gaining some ground, but by noon, it was clear we were losing ground. There's the roller coaster ride for you guys. Listen, I keep telling y'all, it's unpredictable, it's volatile, but history tells us if we're long in this thing, we win. If you're short in this thing, trying to time the market, good luck to you. My recommendation is time in the market and get you a long-term investment strategy in place. History tells us, guys, over the last 100 years, including 16 recessions, the stock market has still delivered at least a 10% return. So you got to be long, guys. Now, you can play the short game and try to be a trader and an expert. Statistics are against you. History is against you. You won't win. So do yourself a favor. Get your dollar cost averaging long-term investment strategy in place. If you want to, you can copy mine. It's called a Wealth Transfer Blueprint 1.0. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net, and let me know you want a copy of my Wealth Transfer Blueprint 1.0 video, and I'll send it out to you. And you can copy that plan. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not trying to play one on YouTube. I'm just extending that olive branch to some of you folks out there that want to be the expert. I'm telling you, history's not on your side. If you want up to 15 free stocks from Moomoo, get yourself down in the description box. Click on the Moomoo link. They're going to give you up to 15 free stocks when you put some money in your new Moomoo brokerage account. Guys, it starts there. And then get the blueprint. And then take a look at it. And let me walk you through what I've been doing that has a proven historical track record of success. Doesn't mean it'll work for you. I'm just trying to extend an olive branch to you folks that want to build wealth. And if you want to take me up on that offer, send me the email. If you don't send me the email. But while you're in my website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. All we do in that financial community, guys, is help each other build wealth. None of us are experts. We don't try to tell you what to do. All we offer is best practices, golden nuggets, tips, what's working, what's not working, and a safe environment, along with another 1,200 people to build wealth. Or your other option is stay in the matrix and do it on your own. Those are your two options, right? I would ask you to join us. So in the website, click on the membership button, click on the join button. It'll take you over to Patreon and join the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We'd love to have you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. You can see it in your mind. You can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.